Morning class, Standard 8, History and Civics. So here onwards, you will get revisions a chapter wise and you have to prepare the answer for that. So first I will start with history, chapter 1, the Harappan civilizations. In that, the main points you have to look into this. The rest of things no need to too much attention to not to given. What are the reading? You have textbook. Will get the syllabus sources in that. A great path, citadel, seals, beard man, dancing girl, dockyard, script, origin, extent, urban planning, trade, art and craft, and its decline. So this topic you have to learn by heart. This is for your examinations. So regarding periods, they may ask questions. We have textbook, you can read in textbook what age they given, and the technology, how the economics they lived those days, and system, road construction, building constructions, trade work, everything they did in proper way. So first we will see Harappan civilizations. You have to read that Harappan civilization, where they came from. They came from Indus Valley. So the Harappan civilization have the history in the textbook. Sources, the Great Path, seals, the citadel, beard man, dancing girl, and all is writing in a textbook. You can go through it. Dockyard, script, origin of these civilizations, foreign origin, indigenous origin, extent of civilization, Harappan planning, Harappan cities. Now common elements between the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, both are similar, same method only they made it, because they are in left side in the river, other on the right side of the river. So let me go through. Both are located on river banks. Mohenjo-daro on the right bank of the Indus and Harappa on the left bank of the Ravi. The both measured around 5 km in circuit. Ground plans including layout of streets, blocks of houses were common to both these cities. Water supply, drainage, granaries were common in both these cities. Indoor plumbing, paved bathrooms, brick drain pipes, a network of brick-lined sewage channel is seen in the both cities. Now, future of urban planning, houses. Next, we'll come to the monumental architecture, the Great Path, granaries, trade. Trade work means there are so many trades they did via road, via sea. Weights and measurements. Transport. What transport type they have used? Let me go through this. The several representations of ships were found on seals of Harappan Mohenjo-daro. A terracotta model of a ship was discovered from Lothal, pointing to the use of ships. Boats were also used to carry goods from production centers to cities. For inland travel, there is enough evidence from terracotta models of bullock carts, copper or bronze models of bullock cart with seated drivers were also found from Harappa and Chandudaro. Carts used in those days resemble the modern Eka horse cart. That is, Eka means horse cart. Next, we will come to the art and craft. A sculpture, ornaments, whatever ornaments they wore, toys and amusements. The people played games and had many other forms of entertainment. They played dice and went on hunting and fishing expeditions. The main musical instruments were the drum and the lyre. Toys of birds, animals, figurines, cards, and whistles were also made. So, decline of this civilization via earthquake, flood, so many ways it happened. Increased aridity, deforestation also one of the reason. Attack. Some historians like Mortimer Wheeler believed that Aryans destroyed the Indus settlement. Mortimer Wheeler believed that in the last phase of Mohenjo-daro, men and women, children were massacred in the street and houses of the is evident from the skeletons of 13 males and females and one child found lying in the room. Heritage. Heritage, the decline of physical aspects of the Harappan civilization did not lead to the total disappearance of all the traits of these civilizations. Many of its features were found in the later cultural development. The Harappan way of making baked pottery, bricks, beads, jewelry, textiles, etc. was adopted by the later civilization. Still you are following. One of the most remarkable achievements of the Harappan people was the cultivation of cotton, which was adopted by the Egyptians after several centuries. In the religious sphere, the worship of Pasupati Shiva, the female deity of Mother Goddess, sacred trees, animals, serpents, religious symbols, etc., which were prevalent during the Harappan period. Some of them have continued to this day. This day also you are following same thing. So, based on these chapters, main important headings, what I said in earlier, same heading only your question will be found. So, be prepared. Every year onwards, every week will get revision chapter wise. History or civics, both will alternative days will comes. Good morning class, stay safe, stay at home.